Okay, guys, we got another box today. This one is from CowRC, one of our sponsors of the channel. He's actually one of our first sponsors. We've got a little goodie box today from CowRC and Heath and the boys over there. Let's cut this thing open and see what we got. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? Walter with the RC Addiction Vlog. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Vlog. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so you guys can stay tuned to the channel and everything that we release and all of our new footage. But today's video is about maintenance and CowRC, one of our longtime sponsors and helpers of the channel. We got a goodie box from them today, and if you can't tell by the side of the box with the chemical label on it, it's more cleaning chemicals, guys. So, and from what I understand, I talked to Heath last week. I've got one can of some new stuff that they just came out with. So let's get this thing cut open and see what we've got. I needed more of the Moo Clean, which is their degreaser and cleaner, and I ended up talking to Heath for quite a while the other day about some of the stuff that they've been doing, some of the new goodies that they got coming out. And if you guys haven't seen this, I know we've done a whole video on this stuff, but this is the Moo Clean. This is their degreaser and electrical cleaner. It is ideal for properly cleaning of electronic motors, gears, and suspension. Removes oil, grease, dirt, cleans nitro from electronic parts. So if you have any like nitro residue, I'm assuming like that oily residue that nitro cars get, this stuff works perfect for it. I don't run any nitro, so I wouldn't know. But from what I do know and how this stuff works for what I use it for, this stuff is amazing. We basically got a whole case of the Moo Clean, and then somewhere in here, I think, is supposed to... Oh, there it is right there. Okay. So this is the latest and greatest from CowRC. This is Moo Slick. Okay, there's a good shot of the bottle right there. You can see that. Moo Slick. Comes in a nice black and pink can. So this is ultra fine graphite coating. So it's a dry application, zero cling, zero drag, virtually instant cure time, wide temperature range, resists grease, oil, and water. So this could be used for a lot of different things. Now, one of the things I'm going to do, and I haven't had a chance to do that yet, is I usually will get on the phone anytime there's a new product released from CowRC and they send it to me. Heath is a huge help when it comes to helping all of his customers and his racers into understanding exactly how to use his products. So one of the things, guys, that really sets companies apart anymore, and in today's day and age, and you guys know this, you guys do a lot of online shopping, especially in the RC hobby. You kind of have to, because our local hobby shops don't necessarily carry as many parts and pieces and cleaning equipment and pit tools and all this stuff that we kind of need on a regular basis. And so a lot of us end up shopping online. And one of the biggest things for me is customer service, man. I am in the customer service industry. I am a full-time service writer and parts manager for the UTV shop that I work at. And customer service, guys, today in today's society is huge. And so I really, really, really enjoy when I deal with a company that has customer service like I would expect a company to have it. And he, hands down, he offers that. I mean, he literally will get on a phone call with you for 30 minutes and explain to you exactly how that product works before you use it. That way you don't waste any, and you know exactly how to use it, and that it benefits you in the way that it's supposed to, so that your hard-earned money on those products go a long ways. And I say that all the time, guys. Like I said, I'm a hardworking 50-plus hour a week guy, man. I don't want to spend my money on junk. I work hard for the money that I spend on my hobby. And the guys at CowRC, when it comes to my RC maintenance, they got it dialed in, guys. I can't express that enough or show my gratitude enough to those guys. I mean, I probably could by buying more stuff, but he's a huge help. And he Now that I'm on board with those guys, it's been a huge help, and I'm hoping to create more and more customer base for the CowRC stuff, especially at my local race shop. This weekend we had our big race for the Fall Brawl. We had our round 3 of the Fall Brawl. If you guys didn't catch our recap video that we dropped today, make sure you check that out. And I actually ended up handing a couple of these out. I saw some customers or some other racers that had bodies, their buggy body or their stadium or short course body were really marked up with tire marks. And so one of the things that I found that works really, really well for cleaning your bodies without damaging the paint or ruining the plastic or doing any harmful things to your body is the hide wipes. And these things, they're just a surface cleaner wipe. They're actually probably very similar to some of the workman wipes and stuff that you can get at auto parts stores that guys will use in shops. I know the wipe itself may look like that, but I know the cleaner that these wipes are doused in and what's on them is a little bit different because that's CowRC's actual chemical. But they work absolutely tremendous, guys. They will clean your body right up. We use them for cleaning our wheels too, our J Concepts wheels when they get all marked up from hitting the pipes and stuff. Use a hide wipe and it'll take those black marks right off the side of it. So this is the new stuff right here, guys. The ultra fine graphite coating. So I'm going to assume this is some sort of coating that I'm going to put on bearings and some moving parts, maybe suspension pieces, hinge pins, stuff like that. Maybe the shock eyelets could be a good one that this stuff would go on, being that it's a zero cling and zero anything. That might be something I use, but we won't know until we talk to Heath. So he's our man. We're going to talk to him. We'll hit it up, and we're going to do a whole nother video on breaking this stuff down. So, and then, like I said, we got our whole case of the Moo Clean, their industrial cleaner. This stuff, it's just like a high performance uh, brake clean, basically. I mean, I like I said, I've used brake clean, like true brake clean from Napa and O'Reilly's, and it doesn't. It's a different chemical, guys. I'm telling you. So make sure you guys check out cowrc.com. I've got a discount code in the description of this video. Make sure you use that. It'll save you 10% on your first purchase and get you some goodies on the way. So we appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Smash that like button. And as always, guys, we will see you next time.